Alright guys, we got an easy one today. This is a 2016 Hyundai Accent, and we will be replacing the passenger side motor mount. Very simple. First, you're going to want to support your engine with a jack and a 2x4. You're going to want to slide your jack and 2x4 underneath the oil pan and jack it a couple times until all of the tension is off of the engine. And then you're going to want to remove the bracket that mounts to the side of the block and the top of the motor mount. Hard to see right there, but when you're looking at it, you will see what I'm talking about. The one bolt in the middle of the bracket there that is sticking up with the rubber around it, and then the 3 bolts that mount it to the block that I'm putting a socket on right now. I can't remember if it's a 17 or a 15 millimeter. It is one of the two. So I'm going to remove this mid nut. Bam, that's done. Then I'll remove the 3 on the block. Then that middle plate will lift right up out of there, like so. And that's that. Now I will start working on the actual mount itself. I'm just checking the play there. It had a bunch of wiggle in it, so you know that thing's bad. Now I believe the 3 bolts that are mounting it to the frame or fender well are 13 millimeter. So I'm going to remove those 3, and then the whole mount will lift right out of there. I tried too long of an extension right here. My Milwaukee 3/8 stubby did not have enough torque to remove it with that extension, so had to ditch it and just go with the deep well socket. Maybe a 3-inch extension and the deep well. Yep, that's exactly what I did. So I think I've removed all 3 of the mounting bolts, and it should just lift right out of there. And that's that. You have removed your passenger motor mount on your Hyundai Accent. Now we're going to grab the new one. And we are going to set it in its home. And reinstall our 13 millimeter bolts. Tightening them bad boys up. Now I'll get my connecting plate and slide it back on. It'll only line up one way, so you can't really mess this up. And I'm going to put my nut on the middle, my 2 nuts on the block side, and then 1 bolt on the block side. So you have a total of 3 nuts and 1 bolt. And I'm going to tighten all those back up. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.